came to the pizza store, thought that I would get a pizza, but no. The chef is making crazy human pizzas. Let's escape. Okay. And I figured at Obbies. But I could try. Never mind. No. People are trying to get. No. I want to be made into pizza. I love pizza though. That's the only thing. Come on, girl, move. Oh, I almost had it. I don't like this pizza shop. I'm never coming ever here. I'm never coming here ever again. I mean, this is just wow. Gonna make it. Is she? Hey, I'm there. That was laggy. Why did I make it so laggy? Just would come and buy a pizza. But no, I'm guessing not. People are trying to on that box. Why? Haha. I'm not scared. It's gonna make me. Oh no 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 no. No 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 no. No 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 no. What? Oh. I think I know how I'm gonna do this. Well, at least I think. I mean, yeah. This is a big giant kitchen. Look how thin these knives are. I don't want to be chopped up. I don't want to lose my hair. I don't want to lose my hair. What? You call that? Doom? Oh, girl. Are you too scared? Oh no. Or does she keep on falling on this fork? Aren't you not supposed to touch these? Oh, that was close. That was safe. Does she know that I'm a YouTuber? Is she gonna subscribe to me? Or is she already subscribed? Is she waiting for me? That'd be very nice. What? What just happened? Oh, I wish that chef was here. Oh! I'm level 6. Sickening. Sickening. At least I found this. Ooh, that's way better. Okay. I can never make this jump. Oh! Do I jump onto there? To here. Are you kidding me? Man, I'm so glad there's checkpoints in here, because if, like, I went onto this map that had my What? I didn't even touch that. Well, at least I got up there for once. I cannot even pass that. There's gotta be a cheat somewhere. Oh, I'm so... Are you kidding me? Why? I'm getting really mad at this game. I might just go on to something else, but I do want pizza. I hope there's pizza at the end. Okay, just jump on there. I'm gonna go on this. I just standed there. How come, people? The floor lava. Well, it's just water, I mean. What's the point? Gotta go through all of this. The girl keeps on jumping off. I feel so sorry. Girl, you gotta jump on that pan. If she's watching, well, she can't be watching this video. Oh, I'm the luckiest person of all. No. Oh, I just wanna. You guys, I'm doing it. I'm done. I don't want to do. I'm leaving. Just gonna keep on going back. Results for Obby. You know what? Instead of going to the pizza place, I want to go to my grandma's. I want to go to grandma's house. I want to go to my grandpa's house. Yep, I want to go on to my grandpa's house. He misses me, and yeah. Yeah, so, and also my mom told me that I had to go to my grandpa's house. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go on to my grandpa's house. All my cousins are here. I'm stuck. My feet are glued. Grandpa, what did you do? What did you do to me? Okay. My cousins are moving. Why ain't I moving? Come on. Hello? Task manager, I have to just do that. Oh wait, fine. Oh, hi, Grandpa. What is with you? Oh my God. I'm leaving. Grandpa has lost his mind. Try to escape. Yeah, alright. Ah! What are you supposed to do there? I was just standing there. Ugh. Hello. Hello. Come on, we gotta go. Bye, Grandpa. Oh. That's why we couldn't escape. Jeez, Grandpa. What have you been doing in your house? Oh, my old Teddy. What have you been doing? Ah! What is happening? What is happening? Okay, that's much. Grandpa, what have you been doing? Ooh, comfy chair. Wasn't I just in your living room? No! Where goes my hair? Grandpa, what have you been doing with your life? Come on. Gotta jump on my favorite teddy. Oh, haha. Beat that guy. Oof. He goes oof in the house. I am the obby master. Didn't they get this from? Oh, I know where they got this from that pizza shop. You see here? Students. My grandpa wanted me to order pizza. He eats a lot. And so I said yes because I thought he was going to give me some. But no! How dare you, Grandpa? I don't like you. We don't like you. Oh, bingo. What is this stuff? Ah, they make me do stuff. Bing. Huh, I didn't need to touch that one. That one's probably mischief. Didn't. Was it this? Does he know this? Ah! Aha! I knew it. We're stuck. How about you go first?